What's up, world? King James, and we have a very special treat for you here today. We are here in Petaluma, California at the American Graffiti car cruise, and standing with me we have the Fondettes. Girls, welcome to the show today.
Thank you.
Now they are about to perform some music off of their CD, which you can find. So our viewers at home sitting back watching, where could they find the music that they're about to hear right now?
Thefondettes.com.
Fondettes.com. So girls, I'm curious, how was it that you guys were able to come down here and perform? Were you hand selected by the members of the American Graffiti Car Show?
Well, this isn't the first time we've been here. This is our second time actually, and yeah, they called us back. I don't know if we seeked them out the first time or if they seeked us out, but we love to do car shows. It's our thing, obviously, since we do 40s and 50s. So.
Nice. So I have to ask you, how long have you girls been a group for?
I think it's been about 4 years now. Yeah.
4 years. So are you guys all friends? Have you guys all grown up together?
Pretty much, yeah. We went to high school together. We met in our high school choir, so.
Nice, nice. And for our viewers out there watching, they probably recognize your face. And for the ones who don't, what high school did you guys go to?
We went to Santa Rosa High.
Santa Rosa High representing. All right, girls, well, they are about to hit the stage right now and do the dang thing. Once again, go log on, check them out. Girls, good luck today.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Check them out.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he doesn't shake, he rock and dance. Man, I haven't got a chance. I call him lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Sweeter than candy on a stick, huckleberry, cherry, a lime. If you had a choice, he'd be your pick, but the lollipop is mine. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Crazy way he thrills me, tell you why. Just like a lightning from the sky. He loves to kiss me till I can't see straight. Gee, my lollipop is great.